Good morning students. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am Sangam from NEEP class. Today we are going to learn about my country. Today our topic is my country. Which topic? My country. Do you know students? What is country? Do you know? The people who around the world live in different places, that is called country. Do you know students, in which country do we live? India. We live in India. India is our country. India is our country. India is our country. Okay students, India is the 7th largest country in the world. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th. India is the 7th largest country in the world. We all are Indians. India is also known as Bharat and Hindustan. Look this. This is the map of India. What is this? This is the map of India. Every country has many symbols. Our country has also many symbols. Today we will discuss about some symbols of our country. So let's start. First is national flag. Do you know students, which is our national flag? Tricolor. Which national flag? Tricolor. Spell of tricolor? T R I C O L O U R. Tricolor. It is also called Tiranga because it has 3 colors. Look this. This is our national flag. It has 3 colors. Count 1, 2, 3. Saffron at the top, white at the middle and green at the bottom. It has blue colored wheel. It is called Ashok Chakra. It has 24 spokes in it. Look this, it is Ashok Chakra and it has 24 spokes in it. When we celebrate any national festival like Independence Day, Republic Day, Sports Day, in our school we host the flag and sing national anthem Jana Jana Mana. Okay, next is, do you know student what is this? Do you know? Which is our national flower? Lotus. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Spell of lotus? L O T U S. Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Our national flower lotus grow in fresh water lakes and ponds. It has different colors like blue, pink, green, white. It is said to be the asana of goddess Saraswati. Do you know who is goddess Saraswati? When we celebrate any function in school, we pray the goddess Lakshmi. When we enter in school, the statue of goddess Lakshmi keep in front of school's door. So next is tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. Spell of tiger? T I G E R. Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger is a wild animal. It lives in forest or zoo. It is a symbol of India's wealth of wildlife. Brown and look this, brown and orange strips on its body. So next one is peacock. Do you know student? Do you know which is our national bird? Peacock. Which is our national bird? Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Spell of peacock? P E A C O C K. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Peacock, it has long neck. इसकी जो neck होती है वो लंबी होती है. It has long neck and crown. Look this, crown on its head. And look this, it has long neck, this, look this, and crown on its head. It has long feathers, and it has long feathers, and it is so beautiful bird, because when rain come, it it dance. Sorry, peacock. National bird is peacock. It is used to feather. It is used to dance in the start of rain, as like it is like to welcome the rain. Okay, students. Once again, we will repeat. This is our national flag, Tiranga. This is national flower, lotus. This is national animal, tiger. This is national bird, peacock. Okay, students, learn this. Thank you. Have a nice day.